Samsung is gearing up for its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. It is set to announce the 5th generation Galaxy Z foldables, the Galaxy Tab S9 series, and the Galaxy Watch 6 series. There have been plenty of leaks and rumors revealing everything about the upcoming devices. Now, Samsung has shared a teaser on its Twitter account that makes one thing clear about the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will fold flat. There have been new entrants in the clamshell foldable phone segment in the last 1 year. These include the Oppo Find N2 Flip, Vivo X Flip, and Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Notably, all these devices feature a large secondary display and are able to fold flat. This left the last year's Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 lagging behind. However, Samsung has started sharing teasers of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5. As per the latest teaser video, the upcoming offering will be able to fold close flat. This is a huge sigh of relief since the Galaxy Z Flip 4 leaves a gap when it is folded, allowing water and dust particles to settle in between. The teaser also reveals a boxy form factor of the upcoming flip phone that has antenna lines and a SIM card tray. However, the rest of the details remain unknown. The dummy unit of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 showed a gap where the phone folds, which is pretty disappointing. However, it remains to be seen on the final device. As per leaks and rumors, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to feature a 3.4-inch 720p secondary display with a folder-like cutout design. It is tipped to have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The clamshell foldable phone will reportedly be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and be backed by a 3700 mAh battery unit with support for 25W fast charging.